foam marbling, shaving foam and acrylic, and then come back.
How did you interpret your theme like Rococo?
Rococo, I interpreted in terms of chintz, which was very popular, which actually came from India to Europe. It was so much in demand that it had to actually get banned because the other fabrics, the European-made fabrics, were not being bought by the Europeans themselves. So I've used the color theme from Rococo as well as the florals. The Italian Renaissance is where I borrowed the slashing from.
Good. Thank you.
I love both your garments. Well done.
Thank you so much.
Okay, now the cape coat here, is that reversible? Because I can see a very interesting lining there. And is that embroidery on the lining or is it print?
It is a block print.
Right, okay.
So it is inspired from the mud flow paintings which is done in rural India, rural villages of India. And it has small little details like these patchwork are hand done, and this all the entire garment is hand done. As you can see, this embroidery, it is.
What is the fraying that you've used on the cape coat at the edging?
Fraying is the same fabric which I have frayed using.
Right. Using what? A tweezer?
Seam ripper and all.
Yeah, okay.
Taking the threads out, and like it has all earthy tones.
Right, very good.
I'm feeling really excited.
Excited? Okay. Firstly, I want you to answer me this one question: do you believe you're a knitwear designer, or this is just for this competition that you exhibited this?
No, I have a keen interest in knitwear. I am from Ludhiana, which is the Manchester city of India. So I have a keen interest, and I'm pursuing my bachelor's in knitwear designing also.
Super. Very well done to start with.
Thank you.
All right. Second question that I want to know is: do you think India has a knitwear market?
I do believe it has a knitwear market, but it's not completed. Means it's flourishing. It's in the process, which you have to take it to a level when everybody in the world says yes, India has a knitwear market. It's a growing market. It has a potential, I believe, and that's what I want to do in life.
Very well said. Thank you.
Good evening, Anne. I'll start by telling you that I just adore your prep garment and I love the styling that you've done on both the models. My question to you is, what's that on the center front of your couture garment?
This was a panel made of a larger size than the cutout in the princess panel, in the center front panel. It was made of a larger size so that there can be a little protrusion to give the lotus-like effect that I associate with the romantic legends around the Taj Mahal.
Okay, and what's the fabric that you've used in your couture garment? What's the glitter thing? How is it achieved?
This is an all-over embroidered machine embroidered tulle fabric with a Duchess satin layering below it.
All right. Well done. You have something to say?
No.
Yeah. Great.
Good evening to all the fashion students who have assembled here. It's indeed a pleasure to be with all fresh young talent all of you cheering the finalists. I should say this is a splendid show put up by all the top 15 designers. In fact, we were chatting with the jury. They are rating this quality of the event amongst the best which they have also attended with various fashion and designer shows. That shows that raw talent actually can stand up well over all other events. At Max and Landmark Group, we have over 100 designers in our group. And today we are able to be one of the leading player in fashion thanks to the energy and creativity shown by all the designers. Max Design Award is a tribute to the creative talent. This is the second year we are there in this genre, and there's a distinct difference between the earlier event and this event. This event outperformed by a mile compared to what we had last year. Congratulations for a splendid show. All the 15 finalists, the talent was very good, both the breadth and couture. In fact, the jury had a tough time to shortlist the top 5, and finally the winner also will be announced soon. I'm sure this will have certain heartburns as well for the people who are close to being the winner. But rest assured that these designers who were there today on the stage will make their mark in the Indian industry. Wishing them all the very best.
Thank you very much.
And thanks a lot for all the support, and well done all of you.
Thank you very much. Kindly step up on stage, Mr. Vasant Kumar. I'll request your colleagues on the jury. With a single garment that had the best ramp appeal. And the winner gets a certificate and a check for 15,000 rupees. I request Kamakshi Kaul and Mark to kindly do the presentation. Ladies and gentlemen, this is the Preth garment designed by
इंस्पिरेशन मिले ऐसे कंपटीशन में पार्टिसिपेट करने के और आई थिंक दैट्स ऑल आई कैन से अबाउट इट फील्स रियली नाइस
जी जिसके लिए आपको अवार्ड मिला वो थीम कहाँ से आपके जहन में आई?
it's always been something which I really loved, Rococo chintz. So it was very natural for me when I just saw the theme, I knew I had to do something about it.
और 70,000 का क्या करोगे आप?
न्यू फ़ोन क्योंकि मेरा पुराना फ़ोन ट्रेन में गुम हो गया पिक पॉकेट, तो डेफिनेटली न्यू फ़ोन एंड न्यू पासपोर्ट।
अनुभव कैसा रहा आपका मैक्स के साथ?
मेरा सफ़र बहुत अच्छा रहा मैक्स के साथ। मैक्स ने एक प्लेटफॉर्म हम लोगों को दिया है जिसके थ्रू हम लोगों को अच्छी अपॉर्चुनिटी मिली अपना काम दिखाने की, अपना टैलेंट दिखाने की, और मुझे लगता है कि ये एक अमेजिंग एक्सपीरियंस था जो कि हम लोग ऐसे नहीं, मैक्स के सपोर्ट के बिना हम लोग नहीं कर सकते थे कुछ। सो थैंक यू मैक्स।
एक कदम पीछे रह गए आप जीतने से, राजेश बाजी मार गए
जी,
तो कैसा फील हो रहा है तुम्हारा?
मुझे बहुत ही अच्छा लग रहा है क्योंकि आई थिंक नॉट जस्ट राजेश बट एवरीबॉडी हु पार्टिसिपेटेड, जिन्होंने भी पार्टिसिपेट किया, दे ऑल वर्क रियली हार्ड एंड देन द गारमेंट्स वर रियली गुड. More than the fact ki who won and who lost and who came first and who came second, the fact that 15 talented people in this country got a platform to showcase and more than anything to learn and work hard for a month, I think that was the best and that's the biggest thing and that's all we should talk about.
फिर से सवाल वही आपके पास भी आएगा, तो 60,000 का क्या करोगे?
60,000 का मैं एक I'm a fashion design student और मुझे एक graduation collection बनाना है. So I'll save that 60,000 and use it for making more clothes.
मैक्स डिज़ाइन अवार्ड 2016 अभी शुरू होने वाला है, फाइनल शो. ओवर द पास्ट 2 months वी हैव गॉन टू 40 कॉलेजेस. उसमें वी गॉट 165 एप्लीकेंट्स एंड इसमें वी हैव सेलेक्टेड द टॉप 15 डिज़ाइनर्स. और टॉप 15 डिज़ाइनर्स आर गोइंग टू शोकेस 30 वार्डरोब्स. अभी फैशन शो शुरू होने वाला है एंड वी हैव गॉट द top celebrity designers to be the judges. We have Monisha Jaising and we have Nikhil Thampi and we have Mark as the coordinator and we have Mr. Troy, the designer. So all the Troy Costa. So all of them are there as judges. They are going to select the winners of today's Max Design Award 2006 and the winners will get to be interned by these designers. 6 महीने they'll be doing internship under them. They'll be groomed. And all the designers are also, the winners will also be showcased in forthcoming campaigns what we have. So Max as a brand, as a fashion brand, we are happy to promote designers, Indian design talent who can get recognition through national exposure and some of them can also get into international exposure. We are happy to be a part of this show. And overall we have totally 40 colleges and a lot of participation is there, a lot of excitement is there and each college have their own fraternity, friends and they are cheering their designers who are competing. It's a full house today. I'm sure we'll have action packed fashion show and may the best designers win.
विनर्स जो स्टूडेंट और जो डिजाइनर्स हैं उनके कलेक्शन मैक्स स्टोर में देखने को
whatever whomever we are winning, we will be collaborating with the designers and we will also be launching certain collections inspired by this design. इसलिए we have given our themes, whatever themes they are having, it's a latest fashion theme we have given so that this can go well in our Max stores. Max we have totally 140 stores across 50 cities and the designs which are winning, we will be using these designers to do certain collections for us. Thank you very much and thanks for coming.
जी ऑफ कोर्स आई थिंक बहुत एक महीने की उससे भी ज़्यादा मेहनत की. ऑफ कोर्स इतने 15 डिज़ाइनर्स हैं जो लोग अपना कलेक्शन आज प्रेजेंट करने वाले हैं और सबको डिफरेंट सिटी, इतने सारे सिटीज़ में से 15 लोगों को शॉर्टलिस्ट करके सिलेक्ट किया गया है फॉर दिस एंड देव बीन गिवन 1 मंथ के जो भी उन्होंने स्केच बनाया उसे रियलिटी में एग्जीक्यूट करे जो उनके डिज़ाइंस हैं. सो आई थिंक इट्स अ वंडरफुल अपॉर्चुनिटी फॉर अपकमिंग डिज़ाइनर्स एंड फैशन इज़ समथिंग दैट आई ऑलवेज सपोर्ट एंड बीइंग इन एन इंडस्ट्री fashion is very important I think for every actor. So I love to come and I love to see new designs, new collection and नए लोगों की स्पेशली यंग लोगों की सोच बहुत ज़्यादा क्रिएटिव होती है, बहुत अलग होती है एंड I always like when people support aspiring people, new coming people because it's very important कि young talent को भी मौका दिया जाए and there are a lot of young talents जो बहुत ज़्यादा talented है but I think platform is something that every talent needs so I think it's an amazing platform by Max and I'm very happy to be a part of it.
फैशन का बॉलीवुड का बड़ा गहरा रिश्ता है
जी.
आज आप किसके कलेक्शन में आप
वेल आज मैं रीति अर्नेजा पहनी हूँ बिकॉज शी इज़ माई वेरी गुड फ्रेंड सो आई लव टू वेयर हर क्लोथ्स एंड दिस इज़ वन ऑफ माई फेवरेट कलर. आई लव डीप मरून कलर्स. सो या
अगर सर बात की जाए तो बॉलीवुड में आपका मेल और फीमेल फैशन आइकॉन किसे मानती हैं आप?
आई थिंक फीमेल में तो ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा सारी लड़कियाँ फैशनेबल है. आजकल आप रेड कार्पेट्स पे जाते हो, इवेंट्स पे जाते हो, आप ऐसी कोई लड़की को नहीं देखते बिकॉज आई थिंक वक्त के साथ सब लोग बहुत ज़्यादा फैशन कॉन्शियस हो गए हैं. जिस तरीके से लोग उनकी बैंड बजाते हैं एट टाइम्स. आई थिंक एवरीबडी इज़ वेयरिंग ग्रेट डिज़ाइन. सबके पास डिज़ाइनर्स है सो दे मेक इट अ पॉइंट. आजकल पहले तो डिज़ाइनर्स होते थे, अब अच्छे स्टाइलिस्ट आ गए हैं सो दे सी टू इट कि वो लोग एक्टर्स को अच्छे तरीके से प्रेजेंट करें. सो आई थिंक एवरीबडी इज टुडे एवरी एक्टर एंड एवरी एक्ट्रेसेस दे लुक अमेजिंग ऑन रेड कार्पेट. इट्स डिफिकल्ट टू डिसाइड क्योंकि आई बिलीव हर किसी का एक चॉइस होता है, एक अपना स्टाइल होता है. शायद कुछ लोग सिंपल पहनना पसंद करते हैं, कुछ लोग साड़ी पहनना पसंद करते हैं, कुछ लोग शॉर्ट ड्रेसेस. तो आई थिंक मुझे हर वैरायटी के स्टाइलिंग ज़्यादा अच्छी लगती है rather than only wearing gowns or only wearing sarees. So I like everything.
सना अगर किसी रेड कार्पेट पे जाना हो आपको तो तैयार होने में कितना समय लगाती हैं आप?
बहुत आई थिंक सबको बहुत टाइम लगता है. आई थिंक बिकॉज हेयर और मेकअप वाकई बहुत ज़्यादा टाइम लेता है. लड़कियों के इतने लंबे बाल होते हैं स्पेशली तो इट टेक्स अ लॉट ऑफ टाइम बट आई थिंक 3 घंटे में तो हो जाता है. या
मैम बिग बॉस में अभी आप थे तो उसका एक्सपीरियंस कैसा रहा?
बिग बॉस इतना पुराना हो गया. ऑफकोर्स बहुत अच्छा एक्सपीरियंस था. मैं तो मेरे जितने भी दोस्त को इनफैक्ट ऑफर होता है मैं हर किसी को कहती हूँ कि प्लीज़ डू इट बिकॉज इट्स एन एक्सपीरियंस ऑफ अ लाइफ टाइम एंड आई थिंक आई हैड दैट एक्सपीरियंस. सो या आई रियली एंजॉयड इट. थैंक यू.